84% of the UK's emissions are from three main areas: power, transport, and buildings. Burning fossil fuels for power is the biggest source of carbon emissions in the UK, and it is important that the nation moves towards 100% renewable energy in the future. On any given day, fossil fuels power between 40 and 60% of our national grid, with only ever around a quarter being from renewable sources, the largest of which being wind, and the remainder of energy coming from alternative sources such as nuclear or biomass. The UK government has made a commitment to end the use of coal in the UK energy system and is well on the way to achieving this, as coal now only produces, on average, 1.7% of our yearly power demand. In the future, the UK needs to move away from using natural gases as well as coal and pushing towards a more sustainable supply. The UK government has a target to end the sale of petrol and diesel cars by 2040. To achieve this, there needs to be better funding and infrastructure for charging electric vehicles, and there needs to be an incentive for consumers to move towards low-emission vehicles. Jet Zero is a new strategy set out by UK government to achieve net zero in aviation. This strategy commits UK domestic aviation to net zero emissions by 2050, and for all airports in England to be zero emissions by the same year. The strategy will introduce a Sustainable Aviation Fuel (SAF) mandate, which sets out that 10% of jet fuel will be made from sustainable sources by 2030. Our own homes currently account for 20% of the UK's carbon emissions, with 21 million homes being below EPC rating C on the energy efficiency scale, which spans from A to G, which means they are not energy efficient. The UK government has a target to make sure all homes are energy efficient by 2035 and that all new homes are ultra-low emissions.